Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about SmartSuite, which is an amazing best work management platform. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards on SmartSuite. So coming back onto the video, you can see we are inside the platform and we can see a wide range of options in here and the features that it has to offer. So the first thing you can see on the left side of your screen are the set of resources drop down, and once you drop down this, you will see you have your SmartSuite guides first, and you can also schedule a demo, how to videos, help center, and you can create all of this features using the capabilities that it has to offer. So that's why it's named SmartSuite. You can see if you want to add a contract management, you can simply click on that and it will be directed towards a new dashboard where you can create your contracts. You can see the contract name, company, contract type, and all that information is nicely displayed in here. So this is super awesome and you should must try this out. Now coming back, you can see some various other features as well. If you simply head back to the dashboard again, you can see you have your customer onboarding. So similarly, it is going to be offering different features related to that. So yeah guys, that is it for this one. And now talking about the reviews, if you simply head over to a review site, you will be able to get to know that this site is amazing and working perfectly fine for various people. Like for example, this guy is saying great project management software and various other as well. SmartSuite has proven to be value tool for us enhancing our workflows, so you should incorporate in your daily life as well. And similarly, we have much more examples as well, so make sure to try out SmartSuite using the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching.